Hey there, if you're planning to buy new iPhone 13 series, how much cost in different countries? So in this video, I like to share you guys most expensive place to buy iPhone 13 series and most cheapest place to buy iPhone 13 series in the world. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you next time in the video. I'm Shada from Shada's Dayout. Allah Hafiz.